Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic outdoor lighting solution that can truly brighten up your home while enhancing security. We recently came across the Onforu 100W LED motion sensor outdoor floodlight, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Onforu 100W LED motion sensor outdoor floodlight? This innovative lighting fixture is designed to illuminate your outdoor spaces with an impressive brightness of 11,000 lumens and a daylight color temperature of 6,500 Kelvin. Whether you need to light up your driveway, garden, or patio, this floodlight promises to turn night into day, making your outdoor areas safer and more inviting. Let's talk about some of its standout features. First and foremost, this floodlight offers two primary working modes, motion-activated and dusk-to-dawn. The motion-activated mode is particularly impressive, boasting a detection angle of 180 degrees, a customizable motion zone ranging from 20 to 72 feet, and a timer that can be set for 1 to 10 minutes. This means you can tailor the light's response according to your specific needs. Additionally, it's dimmable, so if you adjust the brightness to between 10% and 30%, the light can stay on all night, providing a gentle glow without being overly harsh. On the other hand, the dusk-to-dawn mode ensures that the light automatically turns on at sunset and off at sunrise, making it a hassle-free option for continuous outdoor lighting. For those who want to double-check if the light is functioning correctly upon arrival, there's even a test mode that allows the light to turn on for 5 seconds when motion is detected, no matter the time of day. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Onforu floodlight is perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor security without the hassle of complicated installations. It's also a great option for those who want energy-efficient lighting that doesn't compromise on brightness. Whether you're a busy family needing extra visibility for evening activities or someone who frequently entertains outdoors, this floodlight can meet your needs. But let's get into some practical use cases. Picture this: you're hosting a summer barbecue in your backyard, and as the sun sets, the Onforu floodlight activates, illuminating your outdoor space perfectly. It not only enhances the ambience but also ensures that guests can safely move around without tripping over anything. Additionally, if you have a long driveway or a dark pathway leading to your home, the motion-activated feature can provide that extra layer of security by lighting up the area when someone approaches. Another practical scenario would be for those who live in remote or rural areas. With wildlife often being a concern, having a reliable floodlight that activates upon motion can deter unwanted visitors, human or animal, from approaching your property. The IP65 waterproof rating also means this light can withstand the elements, making it a durable choice for year-round outdoor use. Installation is a breeze as well. The Onforu floodlight is designed to be hardwired to your home, ensuring that you have a steady power supply at all times. This level of reliability can provide peace of mind for homeowners, knowing that they have robust outdoor lighting ready whenever it's needed. In summary, the Onforu 100W LED motion sensor outdoor floodlight is a versatile and highly practical solution for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor lighting. With its powerful brightness, customizable features, and easy installation, it stands out as an excellent choice for security and ambience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.